Today on your new Blazer truck, we're going to be going over our brakes. We've got a brand new booster on here, brand new master cylinder. Now, I did not paint this. We're trying to give this truck an old school feel, you know? So if you paint these a lot of times, then they're going to get the brake fluid leaking on them, and then they're not going to look good. So I just left it the original kind of style. Could have gone with chrome and this and that and the other, but then again, it's not going to fit the original style. You got brand new brake lines on here. That's coming all the way to the front, all the way to the back. Now let's take a look at our front brakes. So on our brakes, we also have our rubber lines are all brand new also. We got brand new calipers, brand new brake pads, brand new rotors. All the bearings and everything have been packed and all ready to go. Now let's take a look at the rear. Our drums are brand new. The wheel cylinder is brand new, so is the spring kit, and of course the pads are. Everything was taken apart, cleaned up nice, a little bit of grease on the contact points, so you are ready to go. Brand new brakes, front, rear, new master cylinder, booster, the whole 9 yards. You ain't got nothing to worry about.